Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I am in a point of order, sir. I thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, sir. I would like to recall and remind this August House. Sir, when I had a question on the traffic related issue, sir, I was standing, I was on my legs. The chair, Honorable Chair, the Deputy Speaker then said, 11:30, it has been decided that in BAC, the moment it is 11:30, we'll end the question hour. And I was on my legs, my mic was cut. Sir, I would like to ask to you, sir, I'm not questioning, sir, you, I'm just asking you, sir, is that, sir, in BAC we also had decided the question hour will be taken for 1.5 hours. After 45 minutes, it will be single supplementary, single signatory would be allowed to ask. But I have been seeing from last 3 questions, sir, it is not just a single signatory, sir. Many members have been allowed, and when we stand for an issue, our mic is cut. So this is not justice, sir. So one more thing, sir, I would like to, sir, in 20 years, this is the 4th time I have got elected, sir. Never in the history of Legislative Assembly. Never, sir. We don't know what is the issue that would be taken up for discussion today. When we come to the House, it has been taken up. Sir, my request and submission to you is that please call for a BAC. Let us decide the subjects. Every time, sir, not one topic, sir. 3-4 issues used to be decided, and it used to be enlisted in the papers laid in this House, and the members used to get prepared for that subject. But now that is not happening, sir. And we also do not know how many days this House is going to function. Is it going to be 50 days, 15 days, 20 days? I know, nobody knows in the BAC except for the Honorable Leader of the House. But the Leader of the House should also inform all of us how many days this session is going to go. When are we taking up the bills? We have not decided. What are the subjects that we have taken out? I have never seen the House running like this, sir. I am very sorry to say, sir, but what we decide should be implemented and should be equal for all, sir. It should not be one rule for treasury benches and one rule for the opposition benches, sir. This is not right, sir. I was on my legs, my mic was cut. Saying that, Honorable Deputy Speaker came on record and said, Akbar Sahab, it is not just you. If tomorrow, Honorable Leader of the House is also on his legs, and if it is 11:30, I am going to cut the mic. She said that. But what is this, sir? Sir, 3-3, 4-4 member, now single supplementary not been enough. Now my question is very important question. I don't know if this is a strategy of the government to avoid important questions and prolong some few questions. Question hour should not be like this, sir. Question hour should be specific with questions, and the question hour should be specific with the answers from the ministers, sir. Okay. It is very sad, sir. I am protesting on this, sir. I hope that what we decide in BAC is implemented in this House, sir.
Okay, మీరు ఏదైతే సలహాలు చెప్పిల్లో తప్పకుండా